Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you on an epic road trip to Capitol Reef National Park, to Factory Butte, and then on to Arches National Park.
Before we start, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more kid-friendly exploration and travel tips. Let's get started.
Capitol Reef is known for its dramatic rock formations, canyons, and the water pocket fold. A massive geological feature that stretches across the park.
Located near the main entrance, we visited the Capitol Reef Visitor Center. It is the perfect starting point for exploring the park's stunning landscapes and attractions. In here, we learned about the park's history and natural wonders.
We wanted to experience the scenic drive, but it was closed for construction. Despite that, we still saw some jaw-dropping sights. Fluted Wall is a striking cliff of eroded rock formations with long vertical grooves or flutes.
Chimney Rock is a tall, slender spire of rock that rises dramatically from the desert floor, resembling a chimney. It is one of the park's most photographed landmarks, and it offers a glimpse into the park's geological diversity. Wind Rocks consist of two tall, parallel rock spires that stand side by side, creating a striking visual focal point. The rock formations here are the result of wind and water erosion over millions of years, adding to the park's collection of stunning natural sculptures.
Just after the Futa area is Behunin Cabin. Built in the 1880s by pioneer James Behunin. The small stone cabin is a testament to the resilience of the early settlers who made their homes in this area.
After exploring Capitol Reef, it's time to head to Factory Butte. This drive is about 50 miles and it takes 1.5 to 2 hours via Highway 24 and Factory Butte Road. The landscape changes to the stark, wide, open desert.
The Factory Butte road that leads you to the butte is a rough, unpaved dirt road. Factory Butte is a massive natural formation with a steep, isolated hill and a flat top. It is surrounded by stark desert terrain, slick rock, and sand.
After visiting the Factory Butte, we head towards Arches National Park, which will take about 2.5 hours, roughly 130 miles. As we approached the park, the iconic red rock spires start to emerge from the desert landscape. Arches National Park Visitor Center is a great first stop to orient yourself before driving into the park's many scenic drives and hikes. The Visitor Center features informative exhibits of the geology, natural history, and cultural significance of the park. there is a gift shop and a park store.
Also inside is a replica of Delicate Arch, the park's most iconic feature.
Since we arrived after 4 p.m., we didn't need the usual reservation ticket to enter the park. This is because Arches National Park requires a timed entry reservation from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. But after 4 p.m., visitors can enter without a reservation. This makes the late afternoon a great time to explore if you're hoping to avoid crowds and the scorching heat. Because we only have a few hours to spend in the park before nighttime, we decided to explore only the doable spots for our family. Delicate Arch is the most iconic, however, it is also a challenging hike to get there. Our parents decided to go to the equally impressive doublearch. Before reaching doublearch, there were several incredible stops along the main park road.
3 miles drive from the entrance is the Sal Mountain Viewpoint. It offers an excellent overview of red rock scenery both inside and outside of the park. Driving from the Sal Mountain Viewpoint to the Park Avenue Trail offers some of the most captivating views in Arches National Park. As we approach the Park Avenue trailhead, the scale of the rock formations becomes even more impressive, creating a sense of awe as we're dwarfed by the towering cliffs on either side. The sheer rock cliffs resembles the walls of a city, hence the name Park Avenue. As the sun begins to lower in the sky, the shadows of the three gossips cast a silhouette on the courthouse towers.
The Tower of Babel stands out as a striking formation to your left. Then, the Great Wall appears as a continuous, rugged barrier with unique textures. Stopping by Balanced Rock is like witnessing a natural marvel frozen in time. Balanced Rock is a must-see highlight in the park. The massive boulder placed on a narrow base seems almost too impossible to exist, and it looked like it could topple at any moment. The route gradually approaches the windows section, where the striking north window and south window arches are visible. Our destination, doublearch, awaits just a bit further along.
Doublearch, one of the most unique arches in the park. The striking twin stone arches was a backdrop in films like Indiana Jones and The Last Crusade. The double formation is a true geological wonder. It was an easy walk to get up close to the base. To explore more, climbing through the arch itself gives a whole new perspective of the park.
And when the sun began to set over the park, we witnessed one of the most spectacular shows of light and color you can imagine. The red rocks glow in the golden hour, creating an atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly.
Whether you're a hiker, a photographer, or just someone who loves a good road trip, these places should be at the top of your list. I hope you enjoyed this adventure as much as our family did.
Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching.